Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use AgentGPT, which is basically an AutoGPT in your web browser, and you can use this AutoGPT software without downloading Python to your PC or Mac computer and running the AutoGPT code on your local computer. So you can access and use this AgentGPT program, this autonomous AI agent, in a web browser. So all you have to do is open up this website. I will link it in the description below. And first you have to make a AgentGPT account, and it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click on sign in here, then sign in with Google, then select your Gmail account you want to use. Then once you are signed in, if you want to assemble, configure and deploy an AutoGPT agent in your web browser, all you have to do is add a name to the AI agent. So let's add AutoGPT, and all we have to do is add a goal. So currently, at the time of recording this video, web search is turned off, which is one of the power of AutoGPT. I have another tutorial on a similar software that is also an AutoGPT program in a web browser that works with web search as well. So if you really need web search, you can check out that video as well. But anyways, so once you have added the name, add the goal you want this Auto AI agent to solve, basically. So let's set a goal like write us a blog post on how to make money with Bitcoin, and also make the blog post SEO optimized so we can rank on Google. Then all you have to do once you have added your goal that you want AutoGPT to implement is to click on deploy agent, and as you can see, the AgentGPT program is embarking on a new goal and it's now currently thinking. So it has created tasks, as you can see: research current Bitcoin market trends and identify potential profitable opportunities to invest in. Then the next text is write a detailed guide on how to securely buy, store and sell Bitcoin for beginners. Then also added a third task: include relevant keywords such as Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and investment throughout the blog post for SEO optimization purposes. Now it's thinking again, and basically this is how to access and use AgentGPT. Currently web search, as you can see, is turned off, but if it will be turned back on again, then it will be a very powerful way to use AgentGPT to create full blog posts or to use code, create websites and stuff like that. As I mentioned, if you want to use another application that also has access to web search, check out my other tutorial where I show you how to use a similar website to run autonomous AI agents in your web browser. So as you can see, by the way, it has come up with great answers. So how to make money, Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin trading, Bitcoin lending, Bitcoin staking,